Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the PS5 DualSense controller on a PS4. The PS4 doesn't support DualSense directly through the normal Bluetooth pairing, but there are some of the simple workarounds that let you use it without mods on any risky hacks. So first, there is one important point. If you try to connect your DualSense directly by Bluetooth to your PS4, it will usually charge but won't work as a controller. That's normal, so we have to connect it using other supported methods. So in the method 1, you can basically use the PS Report Play. For that, on your phone, on your PC or laptop, you just have to install the Remote Play application. Then you need to sign in to your PlayStation account. You need to connect the application to the PS4 so that the screen appears on your device. Now you need to pair your DualSense controller to that device using Bluetooth or USB. When you control Remote Play, the inputs go straight into the PS4, so you are effectively using the DualSense to play PS4 games. This is the easiest and the free method that you can use. If this method doesn't work for you, or if you are facing any kind of problem with it, you can just try the second method, in which you can use a compatible USB or Bluetooth controller adapter. Now, some adapters are designed to let the newer controllers work on the older consoles. You plug the adapter into the PS4, you pair your DualSense to the adapter, and then use it like a normal controller. Now, this works well for the people who don't want remote play lag. Just make sure that the adapter specifically says it supports DualSense on PS4. You can also use the DualSense with cable through the remote play on your PC or phone if Bluetooth is unusable. You just have to plug in with the help of USB-C and the controls will be more responsive. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.